Right now, a little more than 2 million people are now fully vaccinated against COVID-19 in South Carolina. Now, the state health leaders are hopeful after this news more will roll up their sleeves to protect themselves and others. The state health department, DHEC, says this full approval for the vaccine for anyone over the age of 16 shows how safe and effective the vaccines are at preventing severe illness from COVID-19. In a statement, DHEC Director Dr. Edward Simmer says this also supports the fact the purpose of the vaccine is to protect human health and lives. Right now, about 54% of eligible South Carolinians are not fully vaccinated against COVID-19. And according to state health leaders, unvaccinated people make up the majority of cases and deaths right now in the state. Now, their analysis shows 88% of the cases reported in July were people not fully vaccinated against COVID-19. Now, Monday, Dr. Simmer wrote the key difference between full approval and an EUA is the length of time spent studying those who have received the vaccine, including a longer review period of data associated with any adverse events. Anyone who has remained hesitant about the vaccine should use this full approval as motivation to get the 2-dose Pfizer vaccine as soon as possible. Monday, South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster tweeted encouraging people who want to get the vaccine to go ahead and get it. Now, he had this to say last week about the current situation.
Based on the evidence that we have, the best defense against the virus is the vaccine. And there are a lot of our people who have not taken the opportunity to get a vaccine. If they want to do it, now is a good time.
The emergency use authorization for 12 to 15-year-olds remains in place, along with the EUA for the Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines. DHEC says at this time they have no plans to require COVID-19 vaccinations for the 2021-22 school year in K-12 schools. In Columbia, Jason Raven, 7 News. DHEC says at this time they have no plans to require COVID-19 vaccinations for the 2021-22 school year in K-12 schools. In Columbia, I'm Jason Raven.